supposed to be shopping for my mom, but there's no harm in taking a quick look to see if there's any new fashion. I mean, I might as well since I'm already here. I found something! I have been searching Walmart and Target for new Barbie fashion. I know there is new stuff out and I haven't been able to find anything until today. I found a few Super Mario fashion packs and accessories. Let's start with the fashion. These Super Mario fashion packs were about $5 at Walmart. The dress has an empire waist with pink trim. The pattern goes all the way around. It velcros in the back, but I don't think the shape is very flattering on Sophie. Kind of makes her look a little bulky. I can pull the dress down, but it doesn't want to stay there. I just keep messing with the dress. Okay, that looks better. It comes with a red purse and a yellow watch. There's a pink princess and some flowers on here. I think I'm gonna try this one on. So, what do you think? I think this dress looks great on a curvy Barbie. Our second outfit has two pieces. A red Mario t-shirt that velcros in the back, and a blue skirt with a tulle overlay and an elastic waistband. It comes with a metallic gold necklace and a matching bracelet. This outfit fits the original Barbie a lot better, but I think I'm going to pair it with some jeans and I'll probably remove the jewelry. Yeah, this is definitely more my style. And I decided to keep the bracelet after all. And it looks great on the curvy Barbies too. I found this skirt for $2.50. It has a soft orange and white stripe on the front with a ruffle right at the waist. The back is a solid color with an elastic waistband just on the back. I think it's a little too large for our original Barbies. Yeah, it's a much better fit on a curvy Barbie. However, it was a little bit of a struggle to get it on. Man, Carmen, everything fits you better. Yeah, 'cause I'm fabulous. I think that the one-size-fits-all fashion definitely has its pros and cons. I think it's great that all the dolls can share the same clothes, but there is definitely a size issue. Oh, correction. On the back it says, fashions fit most Barbie dolls. I guess they did try to warn us. Well, with these accessory packs, you don't have to worry about sizing. This one is all about travel. We have a yellow visor, silver binoculars, sunglasses, a gold necklace, a blue necklace, pink watch, coffee cup with a handle, white cell phone, a camera, but I think you have to put the lens on the front. Yep. A paperboard passport, boarding ticket for Mattel Air, and a small carry-on bag with lots of stickers of all the places the doll has been, and it can open. Can we put the skirt in there? Let's try folding it up, place it into the suitcase, and then close it. I folded it a little neater this time, and it still won't stay closed. But a shirt might work. Yay! We did it! And now I am ready to go on vacation. This is a cute set. It looks like everything you need for a staycation. There's a pink headband, a sleeping mask, but the mask that goes over her eyes is made of paper, a pink necklace, a peach purse, a yellow hairbrush, a toothbrush, slice of pizza, lavender cuff bracelet, seafoam green nail polish, a plastic heart pillow that says Dreamer and it is hollow on the other side, a plastic teddy bear, and it has a small hole behind the neck for the doll's thumb so it can hold it. And no staycation would be complete without a magazine. The magazine is made of paperboard and has the same image on both sides. I'm gonna have to keep shopping for some more stuff. But Sophie, don't you have somewhere to be? Oh, my mom's birthday! Gotta go! the checkout's that way. Oh yeah, right. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at some new Barbie fashion packs. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.
And you better believe it. Just take a bite and see that it's gonna be too much to swallow.